Let's look at this question. The polynomial x raised to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus cx square plus dx plus 12 is divisible by x square minus 5x plus 6. Find the value of c minus d mod. One way of doing it is you can break this down into two quadratic terms, one of which is given, the other one you can find out, and then you can find out the coefficient of x square and dx. The other thing you can see is the roots of this quadratic would also be two of the four roots of this equation. The roots here are very easy to see, 2 and 3. Simply put them in this equation, you'll get two simultaneous equations in C and D, and you can solve. Putting that, I get 16 minus 64 plus 4c plus 2d plus 12 is equal to 0, or 4c plus 2d 48 minus 48 is equal to 36, or 2c plus d is equal to 18. This is when x has been put as 2. When x is put as 4, I get 81 minus 8 into 26, so minus 216 plus 9c plus 3d plus 12 is equal to 0. So 216 minus 81, so 135, 16 and 68, so 135 plus 2, so 123. So I get 9c plus 3d is equal to 123, or 3c plus d is equal to 41. Look at these two equations. Addition of 1c has risen the summation by 23, so c is equal to 23. If c is equal to 23, 46 plus d is equal to 80, d is equal to minus 28. Finally, they have asked me c minus d. So 23 minus 28, final answer should be 51 for this question.